Hey, wonderful experience here today at the Expression Church of Huntington, right here coming from Pullman Plaza Conference Center. We had one of the most amazing presence of the Lord atmospheres that I've been a part of in a long time. Brought a message today about the rapture, what's in it for me, and how do I incorporate the rapture, belief and doctrine, or however you want to approach that, into my everyday life, and really hit that hard today. And I want to encourage you. I don't have time to do this in a couple of minute video, but I want to encourage you. We're going to make this extremely public on YouTube, and you can go to our new kevinwest.org website, www.kevinwest.org, sometime this evening or maybe even tomorrow, and it'll be available by iTunes to get the podcast, and we're going to make it also available by YouTube. And I want you just to kind of go through it and listen. This thing has been used to divide so often, and I use the Webster's Dictionary's definition, and kind of gave a perspective that so often we're trying to figure out a way to be either or, but I've kind of learned in my life that there's things I have to go through that I didn't get raptured out of, and then I've also come to realize that I've been probably raptured out of a lot of things that I should have gone through that I didn't have to go through. So it's not an either or, it's kind of an also, and rather than use it to divide, I feel like God has given us some wisdom today to be able to articulate through the scriptures, and even give you a real practical example in the scripture on how you can see heaven and earth and not make a choice where you have either your both feet on heaven or both feet on earth, where the angel of the Lord stood and said, I has one foot on the earth and one foot on the sea. And we have to be able to live from a heavenly perspective. We got to live everyday life as well. So Real Life with Kevin West you can get every day, and we talk about real life stuff, but it comes from a heavenly perspective. So get that YouTube, and until next week, we're going to invite you to come back out and be a part of us. Packed place today. Got a couple of buildings that we're looking at, so we feel strongly that we're going to have a permanent location here real soon, and God is moving, and we're just excited to be a part of what God's doing right here at Expression Church of Huntington.